Yo, so word came out, good people, that Super Monkey Ball Banana Blitz is getting an HD remake on all the major platforms. So in honor of that, I'm gonna bust out Super Monkey Ball Adventure for the Nintendo Gamecube. Let's rock and roll. So I realized that there were a lot of beat issues the past couple of videos where it was repeats because they were longer. I'm gonna play this raw dog, no memory card. Raw dog. So I added a few new beats to the front of the playlist, and I'm just gonna let it go. I'm only gonna play for an hour, see how this goes. Story mode. New game. Sometimes I like I. Sometimes I like Gong Gong. Sometimes I like Baby. Sometimes Mimi. Who knows? Mimi is more of a battle girl. I'm gonna go with Gong Gong right now. Yeah, we're gonna continue without saving. Do I want to abort the save? Kind of a weird way to put that, but yeah. You couldn't just say like, do you not want to save at all? Do you want to go raw dog? And I would say yes, I want to go raw dog. No saves. It's a long loading. Let's see. Alright. Got my time parameter set up. That's another Super Monkey Ball, huh? Oh. I remember how they traveled to the 5 Monkey Kingdoms and solved the big problem. I do remember how they up to Moonhaven. Zootopia. Oh boy. Lawsuit. I'm saying lawsuit. Sega, get on this. Okay, now that's I don't know what this story has to do with. All right, I'm collecting bananas and such, and then it's actually the hottest day of the year right now where I'm at in Phoenix, Arizona. I am not a monkey having a monkey barbecue. I'll tell you that right now, for a number of reasons. Alright, I'm only following this because I do not know what's going to happen. And I need instructions, and if I skip this, I feel like I'm not going to get the proper instructions. There is never time to rest in Jungle Island. It's a true fact. Barbecued bananas. That's oof. Good morning, I got a message for Gong Gong. That's you, right? Yes, it is. Well, what does he say? How are you supposed to be a messenger guy and you can't remember anything? You cannot keep that job. You're fired. Alright. Beware the naysayers? Is that like a creature, or are there people that are speaking ill of the Monkey Ball boys and girl? I'm not sure what exactly I'm supposed to do. I'm assuming I talk to people and pick up bananas, but this is not the Monkey Ball that I know. The monkey ball I know, you just do stages. Is that the whole thing? Is that Adventure? Is that how I got duped? I thought this was... Oh. This is a whole other bushel of bananas, I reckon. says I have 8. How can I progress the story? I wonder if there's a classic mode on this. I think I'd much rather play a classic mode. But this game seems so familiar. I love Super Monkey Ball, and I think I played this. Pretty sure I played this. Let's see. Can't jump. Knock this guy over in the top hat. What's this? Can't get by there. This is Super Monkey Banana Balls. No, not a pun intended. Let's see here. I'm glad they're not remaking this, because I don't think that I would like to play this, and I'd be pretty frustrated. It's not exactly telling me what to do. I need more instruction. Bounce, bounce. Nope. Let me see if Mr. Top Hat guy actually has something. Wait, what? Wait, huh? Did I see something say talk? Oh, who's this guy? Oh, it's I. To the scale? Alright. Yeah, you can take my photo. That doesn't make much sense. I hope this is the right way. I have no clue. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. I do not want to try again. I'm very confused. I'm up here. Is a story mode something that people are really concerned about on Super Monkey Ball? Is that where people are like, oh, I really love this game, Super Monkey Ball, but what's the story? I want to know what these monkeys and characters are up to. Hey, what's the deal over here? Like, why is this monkey a boy? Why is this monkey a gruff boy? Why is this monkey a baby? Why is this monkey a female monkey? A monstress. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna go. I saw another mode. I'm over this already. And that was way too soon to do that. But, whatever. See, I saw this challenge mode. Seems more interesting. I'll roll with I. That's a lot of monkeys. Hey, look at the female librarian monkey. Hey. I know who you are, librarian lady. Shh. Alright, this looks like more of my monkey ball. Boosh! I don't know if I'm supposed to get bananas in here or whatever, or finish it, but I'm doing my monkey thizzle and failing. I don't think that banana was worth it. Let's try this again. Oh boy. Oh, this is one of those, hey, you gotta gun it things. Alright, I got you. Laissez-les bon temps rouler. You! Oh! Oof. Almost overshot that. But there's bananas to get. Whoop, whoop. Boom. There you go. Whose house? I's house. What up? Oh, whoa. Whoa. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Okay. 5 continues, no saves. Because I'm raw dogging it. Raw dog, no saves. Okay, I think I saw the goal right there. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to drop down here safely. Oh, there's a little short right there. Alright. That's tricky though. I think I know what to do. Try to sneak down and drop this way. Bounce. Oh no, 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 no. Oh! That was a platform. I saw it. Let's try this again. Whoa. Cascade, you're a punk. I could see someone naming their kid Cascade. Easy. Oh, dude. I did not need that banana, but I'll take it. I didn't need it, but I'll take it. Oh! Oh, dude. If I would have just let it go on its own, I would have just fallen right into the goal. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, see, I tried it. That's my, nah! I just didn't line up right. Alright, let's go. Come on, I. Show me what you got, little monkey. Show me what you got, pretty monkey. Show me what you got. Ooh, 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 ooh. Cha! Clap, 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 clap for the monkey clap. Oh, this looks fun. I'm just gonna gun it. Go, 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 and he doesn't have enough speed to do that. Let me try it again. Full speed of Simeon. Nope. Oh, so I gotta roll back, get momentum and speed to get over that hill. Let's see what happens here. Nuts to your bananas. Roll back, nice and easy. Roll back, not over. This is good level design. Let's go, boyo! Maybe if I... Ah! Pretty sneaky, sis! Pretty sneaky, sis! Cacao! See, what I did was I let it roll at certain points and I rode the momentum. Pop that. Oh. Yeah, of course it's not that easy. Seemed... Yeah, I guess it's their one way of sneaking away a life. Ooh, that's even scary. Oh! Oh! Ah! Damn, Gina! Oh. Skip over that. Maybe... I think maybe I can gun this. I think I can. Gun it, flip, gun. And... Yo! There we go. Another Shia LaBeouf reference. Monkey ball. Monkey ball. Monkey ball. Got the monkey balls. Oh, wait. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Uh. It's a fly guy. Wanna see him on an island sipping Mai Tais. Go running like a shy guy. Y'all hit it like aye. Capping. Hey, who's rapping? It's Pat, kill Pat, and seeing what's happening. Oh, seeing I'm coughing. Put the whole late. Can't freestyle while I'm monkey balling. Can't freestyle while I'm monkey balling. Nope. I was almost at the goal. Almost ran through the hole. Almost gave light to my soul. Man, I'm so good, shoot the goal. Man, shoot, it's so touchy. It's not bad touchy. All right. Still time left. Challenge mode again. Raw dog. Let me do it with the baby. Let me do it with the baby. Run the stage with the baby. There's that Leva Bates librarian. Sexy, 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 sexy. Leva Bates, not the monkey. Alright. So crossroads. There we go. So you won't be lonely. I guess that was like more of a picking up banana stage. But I'm not gonna do that. Yo. I'm about to hustle. About this flip sage called shuffle. Got him. Oof. There we go. Better safe than sorry. Old school like Atari. Y'all can even go and bar me. Oh, goody. My favorite stage. Favorite stage. Hey! Oh! Off the goalpost! Dude! That would have been sweet. Alright, let's rock and roll. Rock and roll. Oop. There we go. No. Yeah. Baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, baby. They gotta ride this momentum. Push it. Yup. Work my way up, going raw, dog. Y'all don't even know what I saw, dog. Hit them like blasting like a sawed-off. Burn them all up with the Molotov. Ow! Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. All right, that was a fail. That was just me. No. Yeah, go, baby, go, baby, go. Hit 'em with that toddler flow. Rugrats, in 'em. Y'all cat in 'em. Y'all wanna play me like the spikes in 'em. But that's my main dog. Chucky is my best friend. Angelic bothers me to no end. Looking at me slurring, banging on the beats. Y'all looking like I'm country Keith Urban. Cause I'm living in a city, man. I'm doing so pretty, man. I hit 'em with a city. I was talking about acidity, acid, burning them, and things of that nature. Come on, baby. Let's roll. Let's roll. Kid, man, you're good to go. Boom. Go, kid, get. Baby, go, baby, go, go. Go, baby. Oh. Ripple. Oh, this does not look pleasant. not look pleasant at all. And then I go in all gung-ho, and that's just not the thing to do. I did pretty well on one credit, one continue.